Hi, Cykaniki here. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to talk about tips for healthy summer, the 5S edition. But before we proceed, I would like to ask you for a favor. Please do subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that you will be notified if I'm going to upload new videos. Thank you. Okay, so how do we protect ourselves from harmful UV rays? We are going to remember the 5S. So what are these 5S? This is super essential, and I'm very thankful for the Philippine Dermatological Society for learning this. So first S is slip-on shirt. Yeah, shirt. This summer, you must wear comfortable shirt, comfortable clothes that are durable and a social necessity. So you must wear comfortable clothes so that you will not get irritable, because in summer, you will easily get sweaty and all of that. So you need to be comfortable of your clothes. So slip-on shirt. And next, the second S, slap on sunscreen. Yeah, sunscreen. This is super, super important. So you need to take care of your skin before going out. You need to apply sunscreen. I would like to suggest if you're going to use SPF 35 or higher. UV rays can also cause aging. So we don't like that, right? According to Philippine Dermatological Society speakers, they said that you need to apply sunblock after 2 hours. So always remember that. It's a tip. The third S is slap on your hat. So you need to protect your brain, especially for those elderly out there. If you are in a younger generation, you need to take care of our elderly. You need to give them advices to always wear a hat if they're going to go outside, because there are a lot of things happening like heat stroke. So we don't want that to happen. So please be careful. And then the fourth S is seek shade. So that's why our trees are very important. If it's too hot, we have trees available. Nature is very helpful with us, so we need to take care of our trees. Not just seeking shade in literal way, but seeking shade as well. You should bear in mind that you need to seek shade, especially when the UV rays is most intense. Most intense hours from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. That's the time that the UV rays is super intense. So you need to be careful with that. Wear your hats, seek shade. The fifth S is slide on your glasses. Yeah, I know most of the people, it's not just an accessory, but it's a protection for your eyes as well, because our vision is very important. So you need to take care of your eyes by sliding on sunglasses. Especially, I would suggest rounded sunglasses. It's very helpful, which can cover bigger areas of your face, and dark sunglasses is advisable. That's the 5S, and this is a bonus. This is not really a bonus, but a reminder to stay hydrated and drink a lot of water. So this topic is just very short, but this is a reminder for all of us to be careful, especially March. It's fire prevention month, so we need to be careful. If sometimes there are disturbances like out of electricity or brownout, we use candles, right? There are a lot of causes of fire, so we need to be careful on that. Thank you so much for listening to me, and that's it for the tips for today. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. Please do like, share, and subscribe on this channel if you like the content. It would really do big for this channel if you're going to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.